Hi everyone, today I will show you how to center a button in Webflow. So let's add a button. Uh, okay, here is button. So first let's add some styling to this button to make it look better. So now to center this button, we can't use auto on margin left and margin right like we can with div elements, but what we can do to center a button is we need to center a parent of a button. So let's say if we want to center this button inside of this section, we go to section, we click on the parent of the button, we go display flex and center it. And now we can center a button. But if this is not the best way, because if we have more stuff inside this inside this section, everything will be centered. So if we want to just center the button, what you can do is add a button wrapper. So to do that, we use a div block, we drag it inside the section, and let's call it button wrapper. And now drag a button inside button wrapper. Wait a second. Okay, that's it. And now you just give this button wrapper display flex and center it. And that's it. That's how you center a button in Webflow.